So you may have heard of an application called SaneBox, maybe even curious at whether it's worth your time and attention. So hopefully today I can answer that for you and give you an idea of whether SaneBox is right for you. Before we begin this video, make sure to check out toolfinder.co. If you join the membership, you can get 3 months free of SaneBox and enjoying SaneBox straight away. Check it out in the link in the description. So SaneBox is an interesting one. It wants to use AI to organize your inbox clutter for you in an attempt to try and get all of that chaos out of there. Now, I must say over the last few years, AI email assistants have become pretty rife. There's loads of different ones to clients that manage the whole entire process, even managing meetings, all the way over to things that work in the background. Now, SaneBox is more of the things that work in the background. What it does is it allows you to set up a process inside your inbox which automatically sorts your emails. Now, a lot of people get quite scared of that, but the benefit with SaneBox is you can train it through their dashboard. So they have an iOS app and a desktop app, which allows you to go in and train your emails, and over time it continues to get better and better. Now, why is that beneficial? Well, instead of your email landing in the wrong place or having to answer every single email, you're going to get the more important emails at the front of your inbox. And the second benefit to it being in the background is the fact that you don't have to choose a certain app to use it. You can actually use any app or any tool on top of it, which means you can choose any client that works for you and any type of app or third-party client, they call them, over the top of that. So you're probably curious about how this works. Well, essentially, SaneBox will organize the system for you. There's a thing called Sane Later, Sane Black Hole, and there's loads of different setups like Sane Reminders, which can help you to do anything from set reminders to even killing off email that is no longer relevant and you no longer want to come back to your email, which is really effective. There's also areas for news, information that you can save for later, and anything that is an outside of those items gets drawn to the top of your inbox, which is the most important stuff. Now, organizations use SaneBox like Serhant, which is a real estate company based in New York. I know Tony Robbins uses it as well, and a couple of other larger organizations that basically want to be able to remove the chaos of inbox in the background. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of this. Now, to be honest, this is better for people who are wanting to manage their inbox and want to be able to do it without necessarily including a full AI tool. For example, this is going to work in the background, so it's not going to necessarily totally disrupt something that you already use like Outlook or Gmail. I probably wouldn't recommend this if you're also looking at something like email that wants to be able to handle your meetings for you, or ones that help you to draft auto replies as well. That's something that at the moment this application can't do. Think of this more as a background management system to your inbox so that the inbox items that come through are more effective. So who I'd probably recommend this for is busy individuals that need some help with an inbox that don't want to go fully fledged AI email assistant. Something that works in the background that reduces the amount of emails you get and sorts them more effectively is probably something that this is better for. It's not going to be a fully fledged email AI assistant, which you see in other apps like Fixer, Superhuman, and even likes of Jace. So again, they're probably better suited. Those apps I mentioned are below as well. So that was SaneBox AI, an interesting tool that helps you to manage inbox clutter. Check out a 3 months free available below. Check it out in the link in the description, and hopefully this helped you understand whether SaneBox is right for you. Cheerio for now.